How to add Lion token on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Lion token on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app. Once you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen. Just click on this icon over here. Now tap on search bar and search for Lion token. To add this on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, go back to your Trust Wallet homepage. Now again tap on Lion token. Now click on receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you will be able to receive Lion token from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Lion token to our Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.